It's a movie. Scoot over. Let me lay down. Yeah. I ain't never had this experience before.
Get down, man.
I ain't never get to lay on the counter. I ain't never get to lay on the counter.
You asked about
Until you got up.
No, you planned on Thursday.
Whatever, man.
When I got off.
Make sure you see the record button at the bottom at all times. No, get that. Who that? It's a happening.
Let me compost for your hair.
You come on. I need a good scrub, so make sure you.
So this is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is like the guy that told me to take that shit off the bases and put it stack the new product on top. Don't tell me to screw up your scalp, man.
Come on,
listen.
man. Don't do that. Come on.
I'm asking for strength now.
Look at my boobs laying to the side. I'ma hold on for the whole time.
Nah, that's alright. Let him hit the counter right quick.
No.
Let him hit the counter.
No, I'm not doing that. Do it. You're so annoying.
You brought it up. Gee, man.
You're not funny.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't mean to do it.
You're abusing it, and it's too hot. It's smoking.
You say clean.
I know it's. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mom Company. Today we're just gonna jump right into my hair video. I am long overdue for some lock maintenance, so I begged my husband to do my hair. Usually I go to the salon. His mom has a salon in Greensboro, so I usually go there, but we can't right now, so I'm using my husband. And he just put some water through my hair to get my locks wet, and now he's shampooing. We're using Cream of Nature shampoo. And he's just working all the shampoo into my scalp and onto my locks. It's not really foaming up because it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna do probably about 3 washes and rinse. It is very important to wash the shaft of your locks because those get dirty too. So he's just working the shampoo in everywhere, focusing on the front of my head. That's where I have the most dryness, and then working his way down the shaft of my hair, and also managing to be a jokester. Coming up shortly, you'll be able to see like the shampoo is really foaming up now because my hair is getting cleaner as we go. I think that this was the end of the second shampoo, and the third shampoo will be coming up next, so you'll see really, really white foam. You gotta put your foot up there or something?
Yeah. Oh, fucking brace.
Put it back.
Yeah,
Get your foot down, dog.
Yeah, we didn't even. You can edit that motherfucker out, man.
No. Oh my gosh, Johnny.
Yeah.
Is it helping?
Yeah.
Excuse my man, his back hurt.
So he has just applied Cream of Nature conditioner to my hair, all the way from like a little bit away from the root all the way to the end of my hair. We don't leave it in long because it just makes my locks too soft and they start to break. Now it's time to oil and hydrate my scalp. We use a vitamin E sweet almond oil and olive oil mix on my scalp, and he gets it all over and massages it into you guys. It just feels so good. I think I just love this part. We do also focus on hydrating the lock shaft from root to tip. So he's just rubbing some olive oil on that, and now we're gonna get to twisting. We separate the root, the new growth, into two, and then we double strand it until we can't double strand anymore, and then we twist the excess hair around whatever is already locked. I think that's the easiest way I can explain to you because I am no loctician and I've never done my own hair. So you will get to see, the process here. I'm having hubby do some lock knots or barrel knots, I think they're called, so that I can have bangs in the front. I basically just parted from the crown of my head in the middle to the front row, and I left out a section that we will twist and do barrel knots on to make them shorter for a lock style. I plan on doing a bun at the top, like a little top knot, and then bangs. So for the bangs, we twist as usual, fold the lock in half, and he likes to twirl the little loop because I don't think my hair is quite long enough to double down. So he twirls it, and then the excess he twists down the lock until he gets to the loop, and then he'll tuck the ends through the loop at the end of the bang. I hope that makes sense.
Just done. It's clean. That was my job. Yo.
Hubby has just finished my bangs and my twisting. I'm going to put the straight hair in a bun and sit under the dryer for a little bit. But they look so good.
Hey, move. Put one in, man.
I'm so tired, boss. I'll come back on here when I'm finished, guys. Hey, girl. Okay, guys, so I just got from underneath the dryer. Hold on. All right, Lundy. That's enough, Mama. Thank you. Yeah, so I just got from underneath the dryer. Usually when I finish with the dryer, it's left up to me to like style and figure out what I'm gonna do. But he did these lock knots, I think these are called. Lock knots or barrel knots, something like that, as my bang. And what I'm gonna do is put the back up into like a top bun, a top knot or something. So I'm just gonna take out the clips that he left in there. My hair is, I sat under there for like 25 minutes. I think that's all I could tolerate, girl. So I'm just going to take these out really quick. And that's what the back looks like. I'll just take out the clips. I'm not used to having so many clips in my head because I typically get a style that doesn't require my locks to be clipped down, but that's what we're working with right now. I think I got everything. I'm gonna leave the front in till I decide I'm gonna do, but this is my hair. This is how long it is. This is it straight, which I do not like to wear it straight. Kind of gets in the way because it's gotten so long. But I'm just gonna pull everything to the top. Oh, I'm so happy to have my hair done. I don't think you guys understand. Well, you might understand. You probably do. If you've been locked down, you know. So I'm just taking 2 locks from the middle of my ponytail, and I'm gonna make a ponytail holder with my own hair. Gonna wrap it around the ponytail like such. See? And tuck it in the back. So I'm gonna pull it through and tuck it in. Forgive me if I'm out of frame. I can't see. So now I'm stuck. I'm left with a ponytail, which I could wear straight. So I'm gonna split my ponytail into 2, and then I'm going to kind of like do a double strand situation so that I can wrap it around my ponytail and make a nice tight bun without having to do so much tucking and, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to have it like such. Let me grab a hairpin. I don't really like to use these on my hair, but I'm being lazy today. Are you pooting on my video, London? Like, I'm recording. Ew. Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
And I'm going to do the same with this. And I know there's some stragglies, but I'm going to tuck them when I finish. I don't want a perfect bun. I just want something up there to look like multi-dimensional. And I'll just tuck it accordingly. I'll only use a hairpin when I have to. What would make this so much easier is if I had a hairnet, then I could, you know, just wrap it around the hairnet. But so far so good. I mean, once your hair gets to a certain length, it's easier to tuck and just stick it in there. Oh,
Mommy,
and tuck as you go. Yes.
look. His belly is open.
Yeah, because if you press his belly, I think he's supposed to snore or something
No, he
like
doesn't.
that. I don't know.
You have to pat him really hard. Then it will. Then
Oh, you know how to work it?
you have to pat him really hard.
You don't need me. You don't need me. You don't need me. She left. So then I just go in and pin the stragglies so that the bun is actually secured. So I have this one right here. You see this is hanging out. So I'll just tuck it in there. Because honestly, I might be taking this bun down every night to sleep because I hate sleeping in buns. So now I'm going to remove my clips from the front. And ooh, I'm going to remove my clips. And I think I'm going to actually tie this bang down so it kind of like it's like a bowl shape over my forehead, and it kind of like curls a bit because right now it's sticking out like a scarecrow, and I'm not trying to be a scarecrow. So 1 second. Actually, I think I'm going to lay my edges so that when I take off the scarf, everything's laid and I no longer have to mess with it because I'm about to do my makeup and I'm excited. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I just did a little edge control, not too much because my hair is clean and I don't want product buildup so fast. So I'm just gonna wrap this scarf around my bangs so that they lay a little bit. And they'll kind of just like, cause my hair is kind of still wet. So they'll lay down for a little bit and my bangs will start to like form to the shape of my forehead, which is what I want. And I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, I'm back. So I think I let this set for like 20 minutes. Went to go water the plants. Pardon my like house t-shirt, for real. But this is the look. I just take them out and put them, like bend them a little bit, play with them a little bit. And that's it, guys. Like, for real, that's my style. I'll rock this for like 2 weeks and then I'll take them out and figure out another like in-between style. This is it. I love this style. Lay my little edges and my little bun. Feels so good for my hair to be clean. This is the back. Nothing much, just a little cuteness, you know. So I hope you like this video. I hope you love this kind of content. If you do, leave me a comment. Leave me a little heart emoji in the bottom in the comment section, and also like this video, and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a video on this YouTube platform. Also, if you want to keep up with me further, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook, _ the Mom Company. And there I post a lot of fun content, little pictures, outfits, makeup, beauty, you know, anything that I'm feeling at the moment. And I think that's it. I would love to see you come. And if you come, leave a comment and say, hey, I'm from the YouTube channel and I wanted to say hi. And I'll say, hi, girl, back. But anyways, it was super fun recording this video for you. Give a kudos to my my husband. He was a trooper throughout the whole thing. And I really appreciate him. And I think that's it. I'm gonna stop you know, like rambling. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let you guys go. Love you. Bye.